up? It is I, Slippery Squid, and you're probably going to be thinking I haven't done a video in a little while. That's because I have not been having time. I've been doing it on my laptop. Maybe I've been too much. Which means I've not been able to go do videos. As you can see, I'm like holding this weird thing. Just came out like magic. It's because I'm doing a toy review. Today I'm going to be doing kinetic sand. If you have no idea what it is, this is what video you need you to be looking at, because I love this vid. I love kinetic sand so much. It's like a crazy gooey essence. That's a gooey. It's a sand. It feels like Play-Doh. If you make a ball, it feels like Play-Doh, but once you destroy it, it feels like sand. Trust me, it looks creepy. Okay, I'm just gonna show you with my hands, cause I cannot be bothered to move all the trays. You take your hands. If you got a nice ball, got a pink version today, and you can just break it. You probably think it's going all over the floor, even though I've got a tray. So if you take your mould, you can take a handful of sand and just drop it in. No idea what you're doing at all, because this is a really fun game. I say game, it's more of a toy, but yeah, it's more of a toy. I was going to be doing a video with cut stuff from my other channel, but I don't know. But this was when my device was dead, and she had left as soon as I got my device out, which is a sad because I really miss doing videos with her. So, and she literally loves kinetic sand. I gave it to her. I let her have a little play with it today. She like freaked out. She loved it so much. So I've been doing this for quite a while, which gave me a nice smooth edge. So I'm just gonna have to tap it to get it on my hand, just so I can show you guys. Oh damn, it's falling apart. I can probably see it's not a very good sand because it just falls apart. But you're glad how well it comes apart if you just take it apart. So it's really good fun. So that's the front mould. 2 secs. Oh, it's there. That was a sand castle. Now I've got a fish mould. So I'm just gonna take a nice fair handful, sprinkle it over. Sorry, and I like attached to this. I'm not really looking up the camera. Sorry about that, guys. So if it ends up falling, it is okay. Make sure we have a tray. Don't just buy a shimmery pack without the tray, because then it's going to be hard to keep it all together. Because I got this pack, I had 2 shimmeries. Keep it in a plastic bag. Keep it from going everywhere. So doing that, it's probably not that visible. I'm going to place on your hand, you're going to tap the top. Okay, the tray is to place it down, but because I'm doing it on here, as you can see, it's quite, you can't really see it because I'm not very good with the cameras yet, even though I've been doing it for like almost a year now. I've still not been able to do it. So it's really good fun to play with. You can love it. I'm going to see if I can do it on my other channel. It's probably still going to be putting it down as this channel though. But with my toy review. So hope you enjoyed it. I hope you request for more toy reviews. And I'm going to see you next time. Bye. Okay. Leave a comment down below saying hi. Don't forget to like, subscribe. See you guys.